trail on your way to Warm Springs. So as you can see, it's very smooth. I'm doing about 30 miles an hour, buzzing through this. A couple dips here and there, not bad. I don't know if they grade this or not. There's another group ahead of us, about 5 I want to say. So we'll probably be catching up to them pretty quickly here. They left about an hour before we did. We're still coming into Warm Springs. The trail has been pretty smooth for the most part. You could do an easy 30 miles an hour. I mean, depending on your setup, you could probably get up to 50 miles an hour. It's been pretty simple though. You don't really need four-wheel drive, I'll say that. You can tell they brought a tractor through this and graded it. Okay, now we're coming into Warm Springs cabin. Gone up to that group. I said I caught up to that group in front of us.
Told you, they're up at 7 a.m. We caught up to them.
One guy's a Jeep. So we're gonna check out this cabin. It's pretty cool. Actually, it's really cool.
If these roads have turned into Toyota roads, we could pretty much spend extra time looking at things.
Okay, and I finally made it to Warm Springs. This is a really cool place to camp. If you're ever in this area, it's a great spot. There's a nice flat concrete foundation here you can camp on. You're completely level. They got running water out here. They got a great mine out here. So a lot of cool stuff to see at this location. So I'll walk you through and you can check it out. Check this bad boy out. It's one of the stamp mills they used in the for the mining operation here. You can see it's still intact. Just come up here. Okay, this is the house at Warm Springs. Let's go check this thing out. Man, you can tell the water getting the rain, it really came through here good. Check this out. They used to have a little creek in the back. Might not be there anymore, but we'll see. Here's a swimming pool. I'm gonna take a dip. Holy shit, this thing is full. And it looks like it's iced. Let's see. Grab a rock and throw it in there. Looks like it's full of ice. Oh yeah, it's totally, it's all iced. Man, that is deep. That is gotta be a mosquito haven. Wow. Here's the house. Look at this. This place is a mess. Let's walk in here and check it out. Wow. They got some mildew issues here. Look at this. Wow. Had some sort of a flood come in here and destroy the house. Look at that. It's all destroyed. Bathroom. Had electrical back then. Air conditioner. What's this? It's like a tool room or something. Probably where they stored all their food. Because it's all brick. Back here, if I remember, there was a... Look at that. If I remember, there was a creek back here. Let's see. It's over here. Wow. Oh yeah, the creek is gone. Wow. It was just last time I was here, this thing was flowing. Full of water. Don't even hear it anymore. Maybe the spring dried up, or they blocked it. Look at here. Little breakers. Another storage area. Whoa! Check this out. Oh wow, it's a kitchen. Nice cabinets. Check out the living room. Look how thick the dirt is. Let's come in here. You can barely walk through the door. Wow. This is why you want flood insurance when you buy a house, so this doesn't happen to you. Look at this. Oh my God. This is crazy. Oh my God. Dude, this is insane. The river's gone. That used to be here. This is why you need flood insurance when you buy a house. Asbestos may cause cancer. Oh shit. And I just walked through there. In there. Whew. Cool place, but I probably have to build a retaining wall. Oh, there's the creek. Okay. Let's see, where's the creek go? Here's the creek. Yeah. Yeah, there's the creek. Last time I was here, the creek was flowing really good. Definitely have to build a retaining wall over here. This place is trash. Did you see the swimming pool? On the other side, it's like 4 feet deep. Yeah, they had that before. There's a spring up there in the mountain. It's another house. Oh yeah, I was already over there. Yep, I threw a rock in the middle. Come back here. Might have asbestos. I think it's gonna mess with you too much. Let's check this out. Wow, this is actually pretty clean here. Check out this. Oh, wow. Whew. Wow. Oh man, that stinks. Stinks like mold. Whew. It's gnarly in there. They got a heater. What's this here? Like a bedroom. This is really cool. I like this tree. It's pretty cool. Here's Eddie and the dog.